Hey, what's good? Matthew Manuel here, coming at you with day 5 of the $25 options trading challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you what trades I made today. I'm going to show you what the charts look like when I got into trades. And then also, we're going to talk about kind of theta when you're trading 0 day to expirations, as well as the type of account I am using for this challenge. If you normally watch my videos, you may notice my voice is currently feeling a little under the weather, very congested, so bear with me. Real quick before we get in the video, if you're interested in getting up to 12 free fractional shares, when you sign up for Webull using a referral link down below in the description and depositing as little as $1, be sure to check that out. And for those of you that sign up using my link, thank you. It really helps to support the channel, and enjoy your free stocks. And now without further ado, to the good old Webull. All right, so here we are in the good old Webull, and as you can see, we are up 83.68% on the day. Just under $50, so not a bad day. Almost doubled our account, but yeah, any progress is good. We made it to the we made it to the triple digits, so definitely happy to be here. I made 3 trades today. Let's take a look at the history. All right, so as you can see, today we focused on the QQQ. First trade, we paid $45 for, and we sold out for 72. So decent profit right there, not bad. That was just under a 7-minute trade. The next trade, we got a 364 call. We paid $78 and sold out for $100. So right there, $22 profit. And then last but not least, we bought a 365 call. We paid $19 and we sold out for $20, which has us right there in that $50 range that we are currently sitting at. All right, so here we are in trading view. This is kind of how the day went for me. All right, so if we look at it, the day started right here. This was the first candle of the day. So it opened up right here at 364.83. So kind of how the day went. I already had this charted, and I immediately hopped to the 1 minute to start the day off. This right here is where I entered the trade. It came right here, it wicked. So this was the first candle of the day. I entered on this candle right here, traded right here, and pretty much I rode this down to here, and that was my first trade. All right, then went and did some stuff, and I hopped in again, I believe right in this area, and kind of rode up to about here. So that was my second trade. And then my last trade, I got in like right in here, and that was because on this one looks a little different. I bought this in the supply zone, so I would expect it to go down. I grabbed this in the demand zone. I thought that you would expect it to go up. And then down here, this was a liquidity play. So down here, I figured we were safe because it looked like, while it looks like this on the 1 minute, while it looks like, hey, this closed down here on the 1 minute, you don't want to look for confirmation on the 1 minute. So what I did was I came up, and then I saw this, and then on the 5 minute, I saw it was doing this, and I was actually looking for it to like come to about right here. And it ended up doing it, but I got out a little too early. It was my third trade of the day, and statistically, I lose 8 out of 10 of my third trade. So I was like, I just want to be profitable. So I took $1 profit, and could have been more, but not mad. We took profit. It is what it is. So yeah, right here, this was a liquidity sweep. I had a line, like a white line like this in this area. And basically this is just what happens. It sweeps liquidity and it'll change direction. So that's exactly what happened right here. That's what I was looking at in the trade. And yeah, that is why I entered that trade. I just didn't have it in me. I guess I wore myself out today. Did not have it in me to hold, because as you can see, it is still running, and that would have been another profitable contract. I was really happy where I was being in the triple digits. Good to be above $100, and yeah, I want to continue making small, consistent profit so we can really scale this account up. And I know some of y'all keep asking about me skydiving. I have no intentions of skydiving. I believe that if we can just be consistent, make little trades every day, we can still make it to, I believe it's about 28K that we need this account to be at for me to not skydive. And I will keep y'all updated as we go along that process, but hey, not skydiving. Now, with that being said, I wanted to quickly talk about what kind of account I'm in and Theta and trading with 0 day to expiration contracts. All right, so this right here is a cash account. And what's nice about a cash account is I can make as many day trades as I want as long as I have settled funds. So you'll see right here, there's unsettled cash, there's settled cash, and then there's options buying power. I have $7.49 options buying power. So if I wanted to make a trade right now, I only have $7 to do it. I have $109 unsettled cash, so I can't do anything with that. But what's nice about this is with a margin account, if you have a small account, if your account is below 25K, you only get 3 day trades on a 5 day rolling basis. So if you made 3 day trades on Monday, you don't get them back until like 5 days that the market's been open. So most of the time it'll be Monday, but if you have a holiday, you're not getting those 3 day trades back until like the Tuesday. So that's something to be aware of. Whatever day you use them, or whatever day you use those day trades, you will get those back on the 5th trading day or after 5 trading days. So that's how a margin account works. And this is how a cash account works. I find cash accounts to be a lot better. Downsides to cash accounts, you can't really trade spreads on them, but whenever it comes to me making quick daily money, I'm not really trying to trade spreads anymore anyway. The only account I'll trade spreads in now is my Raw. All right, now we are looking at the options chain on the QQQ. And I want you to take note of the Theta. All right, we are now like almost halfway through the day. Right here, let's look at calls. Right now, the stock is trading at 364.91, and let's look at the different values of contracts. All right. As the day goes on, Theta is going to wear out a lot quicker. And how you're going to see Theta is you're going to swipe, and up here at the top, you see Delta, Theta. And yeah, Theta is pretty much how much money it loses, is going to lose in the next 24 hours. So if we look at the 366 strike, you'll see that the last selling price for the contract was $47. But you'll see that the Theta is $47 as well. So with that, this contract has no intrinsic value, and that is something important to note. As the day goes on, this contract is going to wear out, and especially within like the last couple hours, when an hour goes by, if the stock doesn't move, this contract is going to go from 47 like it is right now, or I guess 48 because it moved up in price, or 49 now, down to maybe this is worth $24 or $10, whatever. The lower the likelihood of it ending up in the money with the less time, the more Theta is going to wear down. So for instance, let's just do a quick comparison of today and tomorrow. Okay, 366 strike is $40. Tomorrow, 366 is 133. And if we look at the Theta is 0.92. So that means from today to tomorrow, if you were to hold this contract and it didn't move, or from right now till tomorrow, this contract is going to lose about $92 in value. So it's probably not anything you want to hold overnight unless you expect a big move. And Theta is a killer, so watch out for it. And with that being said, trading straight momentum, like trading a reversal, hopping in on momentum and getting out whenever it slows down, is going to be your best friend whenever you're trading Theta, because you could be up 100% really fast when you have that momentum. Like say you get in a contract that's 7 cents and then it runs up to 14, but as soon as you lose that momentum, Theta is going to kick in and it's going to be worthless, especially if you're trading in the latter half of the day. So again, the market is open for another 3 hours, so probably not the best idea for me to trade anymore today. So I'm actually done for today. I might be done for the week. Again, feeling under the weather. Tomorrow is Friday, and statistically I don't do well on Fridays, so I'm probably just gonna keep to myself. Maybe try to make a video that kind of gets in my head on how I trade, or something along those lines. If there's anything that you want to learn right now, I see a lot of people asking for spreads and stuff. I'm gonna let you know I'm not really trading spreads too heavily right now. Right now, I'm focused more institutional trading styles and trading reversals and stuff like that. So if you have any questions on anything like that, feel free to leave them down below in the description. And if you enjoyed this video or learned anything, be sure to smash the like button. I'm also curious, how did the stock market treat you today? Let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to get your free stocks if you haven't already taken advantage of that. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.